there, friends. Welcome back to Codedex. Stage 3, Pattern. Python is run one line at a time from top to bottom. We can output multiple messages by using multiple print functions. For example, we want to print out 2 simple greetings. This will be the output. Now let's use what we just learned to complete a special challenge. Suppose we want the output to look exactly like this pattern below. How can you do that? Create a pattern program that prints this pattern as exactly as shown. Let's hit the hints and let's see what the solution is. So they use spaces to space out all the letters, the numbers. Let's paste it inside of a code box. Voila! Happy coding!